The fully underground Metro Line 3 has now finally been inaugurated by Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis and Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde, and in their presence we took a ride from BKC to Siddhivinayak, that is the ICICI Lombard Siddhivinayak station, which is one of the prominent station if we talk about the Aqua Line, where people will be able to get a darshan of the Siddhivinayak temple with a close distance after travelling in this Aqua Line metro. The unique part here is that we covered a distance of almost 10 kilometers within a span of 6 minutes 20 seconds. It is a record span that we travelled in. If you look at this metro, the design that has got, the AI technology that has been used is very well depicted, and also the travel time has been reduced from 36 minutes to a few minutes that can be counted on your fingertips. Total, there are going to be 8 number of trains which will be operational on the phase 2A that has been inaugurated already. If we talk about the phase 2B, which is going to be the extended version, that is from Acharya Atre Chowk situated in Worli to Cuff Parade, it is likely to be inaugurated by the 31st of May, and as per sources that will also be done very soon. So somewhere Mumbai's metro connectivity is being improvised day by day. The MMRC, the MMRDA are trying to put in their best efforts to ensure that Mumbaikars get a relief from the problems of traffic jam that has been a prominent problem since decades, and now there's a solution that could be found out through these metro lines, especially when we talk about this particular metro line. The initial stations of the phase 2A, that is BKC as well as Mahim, between that there's also the underwater connectivity that has been given, because there's a tunnel that has been made inside below the Mithi River that makes it even more special, because full utilization of space here has been done by the MMRC in their planning, and henceforth if we see, Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis clearly said that this is a marvelous project for Mumbaikars, where they'll be able to cut short their time of travelling. Along with that, they'll be able to get to their main spots. For example, from BKC, which is a commercial hub, say to religious places like Mahim Dargah, Mahim Church, and then to Shitla Devi Temple, Siddhivinayak Temple, and then again a commercial hub situated, the Acharya Atre Chowk in Worli. Somewhere the connectivity enhances people who are coming, especially to have a look at the development in Mumbai. This is one of the major projects that has to be commended in that. And henceforth, if we talk about this particular project, almost a cost of more than crores in this. This is one of the major accomplishments in the metro line, where Aqua Line clearly is going to be one of the top-notch infrastructure projects that Mumbai has received in the recent time. With video journalist Kalpesh Sujata Dwivedi for NDTV 24/7.